this institution, I should think. If that is the case...
Rightly so.
Sir?
Rightly so.
Yes. So if that is the case, our endeavor is to read Article 191A in the manner which consistent judgments of the Supreme Court have laid down. That any provision seeking an ouster of jurisdiction is to be very narrowly construed, particularly when it relates to the independence of the judiciary.
This is the question.
In Ziaur Rahman's case,
When we will decide this, that ouster of jurisdiction, that are the merits of the case. Now the question before is for constitution of a bench.
No, I'm answering your lordship's question. That sitting as a constitutional bench, can you send it to the Supreme Court sitting in bank? I am saying yes, the judicial power is there to have this issue of whether that Supreme Court has jurisdiction or not.
We have to ignore 191(3)(a)(3).
Sir?
191(a)(3).
No, it is only an additional. It says that, okay, when you form benches, then constitutional cases will only be heard by the constitutional